Want to ruin your 20s? Easy. Just live like you have unlimited time. The truth is, ruining your 20s doesn't look like disaster. It looks like sleeping in, scrolling endlessly, saying, I'll start tomorrow. It's subtle, it's silent. But every lazy habit repeated daily becomes a blueprint for a life you never meant to build. We chase pleasure, we avoid discomfort, we numb with cheap highs, dopamine hits from likes, parties that blur together, distractions that feel productive. We convince ourselves we're just figuring it out. But comfort? It's not peace, it's a padded cell. And most people lock themselves in before they even realize it. Then one day, you blink, and you're 29. Same excuses, same results. Only now it hurts more. Because deep down, you know, it wasn't life that beat you. You just never showed up. You stayed soft, waiting for something to change you. It never did. But here's the twist. Your story isn't finished. You don't fix wasted years with guilt. You fix them with decisions. Start small. Wake up earlier. Cut what drains you. Choose effort over ease. Learn in silence. Build without applause. If you commit, the next 10 years will envy the person you became today. You don't ruin your 20s in one bad moment. You ruin them one average day at a time. But you can save them the same way. One strong choice. Over and over. Until the life you want becomes the life you live. Don't scroll past this like it's just another quote. This is your checkpoint. Choose better today.